Hello, in this video, I'm going to basically create a playbook, right? An Ansible playbook, right? To install nginx server on two EC2 instances. So the first thing we have to do is to create the EC2 instances. So I'm going to use this Terraform script, right? To create the EC2 instance. And then you will see why creating a playbook is very important, you know. So first of all, this is the script I'm using, right? The Terraform script. I'm just so first of all, I need to go into this directory Ansible tags, because this Terraform, this main.tf is the main.tf is inside this Ansible tags. So let me do cd Ansible task, right? So then I'm going to do Terraform, let me just clear all this. Terraform init, Terraform init. So Terraform init, initializing the back end. So once that is done, initializing provider plugins. So once that is done, I'm going to do Terraform, Terraform plan, just so that we get to the Ansible part. Terraform apply. I know that Terraform is going to provision three resources, right? The security group and the two EC2 instances, right? This one, then this is the other one. This is the other one. So Terraform apply, and it's going to provision the EC2 instances. So currently we just have one running, right? Just have one running. Let me get back. So it said, do you want to perform this action? Yes, I want to. So it's going to create the two EC2 instances. And once it creates it, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to update my inventory file, my Ansible inventory file with the private IP address, right? I'm going to update it, because currently, if you look at this 001, this is the 002, then this private IP address, I need to update it, right? I need to update it. So once everything is provisioned, it's going to, in the Terraform script, if you look at down here, right, I have, I want it to output the private IP address for the two EC2 instances. So it's done now, right? If you can look at it, it's done. So this is the first private IP address. Copy it, and then I'll paste it here. Paste, and then for the second one as well, copy it, copy, and then I'll paste it here. Paste. So I'll save, file save, save. Okay. So I'm done with Terraform now, right? I'll just kill this. So now let me clear. I'm going to run some ad hoc Ansible commands, right? So I'm going to use Ansible. So I have Ansible all, right? I want this command to run over all the EC2 instances, right? So let's check it to see if the EC2 instances have been created before we continue. So let's see. So you see 3 now, right? If I click on it, you see this EC2 instance is the EC2 instance that is running behind this my Cloud9 environment. And then these other two EC2 instances, they are the one that we just created, right? With Terraform, right? So I'm going to come here, Ansible all, then I have the module-m yum, and so I have to update, then give an argument. So I have to update underscore cache, the repository equals yes. Then the name will be, I want to install the web server, nginx server. So nginx, then the state should be equal to the latest, and I want to run this to be able to install into the to be able to install, since I want to install the package inside the operating system, I need to run that as a root user. So this -b is beacon, right? So I can also write beacon, right? So let me check if everything looks good. Ansible all, then the module is yum, the argument. Okay, so enter. So let's see. Okay. 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 So that has been installed. So let's check the status, right? Check the status. I'm just going to use this command. Let me clear. Use this command, clear, and paste. So Ansible all dash shell dash system status nginx. So let's check the status. Build the nginx HTTP and reverse proxy. Okay, so I'm going to do this. The status is active, inactive. So let me try to see if I can bring it up, right? I'm going to use this command, paste, to start the nginx, paste. So this is systemctl start nginx, right? So let's see, can bring it up. Okay, so that's it, right? That's it. Okay, so then so you see I have to run all these commands, right? You know, to install the nginx web server and to start it, you know. So let me come to my EC2 instance and see if I can actually let me come here and let me just check if port 80 is open. Okay, so I have port 80 open. Okay, so let me just click on this, see if I can access it. It's loading. Taking a while. Okay. If it's not loading, another thing we can do is, okay, if it's not coming up, I will just come here. I'll get the public IP address. And I'll try to access it on port 80. Paste on port 80. See if it will bring it up. Okay, say welcome to nginx, right? So you can see, if you see this page, the nginx web server is successfully installed and working. So that means it's successfully installed, right? We can check also on this EC2 instance private IP address ends with 117. Can check on the other EC2 instance. Can check on this one. This other one here. No. This one here. So get the public IP address and then paste colon 18. So we'll see that the nginx web server is also installed. So it's installed in both EC2 instances, right? So this is great. This is great. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a playbook, right? I'm going to create a playbook. So instead of having to put all this command one by one, right? With that playbook, we just write it like a script, right? A YAML file. And in that YAML file, we'll just install the web servers on the two we'll store the nginx server on the two EC2 instance. And even if you have more EC2 instances, imagine you just install it on all the instances at once. So before I create the playbook, what I'm going to do is that I need to uninstall that nginx web server, right? So I'm going to use this command, paste ansible all yum name nginx state absent. Then click on enter. I need to uninstall it. Okay. Okay. So let me come back. If I reload now, you see to not come up again. If I reload, you see that it's uninstalled. Right. If I reload, you see that it's uninstalled. It's just taking a while. Taking a while. Okay, so you see that? You can't reach the site. So I'm going to create the playbook in another video.